So the next commandment in the 10 Commandments of Amazon is be not fettered by Audible or Kdp Select if you're a publisher. And while Amazon has some programs that are helpful for publishers, Audible and Kdp Select, in my opinion, are not. And you really have to be aware of what you're getting yourself into when you sign up for one of these programs, which are often exclusive and they require certain things from you that may not be in your best interest. What we're looking at right here is a chart that a group of authors prepared showing the effective royalty rate for Audible. This is the audiobook service that Amazon has purchased in order to release audiobooks on Amazon.com. The effective royalty rate for an audiobook that's 5 to 10 hours long, if it's $20, is about 7% according to this group's calculations. Note that this is the non-exclusive version of Audible. So this, I don't think, is in your best interest, especially considering audiobooks are very expensive and time-consuming to produce. It would take you a lot of audiobooks in order to make back your investment before you saw a profit on this particular program. Kdp Select is similar in that it doesn't really pay back a lot of money when you register for it. And what Amazon is telling you for Kdp Select is if you join this particular version of the Amazon KDP program, you have to make your ebooks exclusive, and they won't pay you by download. Instead, they'll pay you by some calculation of how much time people are spending on your book, and then also there's a royalty pot that you're sharing with thousands or maybe even hundreds of thousands of other authors. It is not an ideal situation, and I do not recommend publishers to participate in these programs. As for other types of programs, let's take a look at some of them here. This is Amazon advertising, which I use for my own books. Yes, this can be a great program, but there's some downsides too, and you have to be careful with that. And I will be showing some videos on how best to navigate this particular program. I hope this video helped you a lot. If it did, please consider liking it and sharing it with other people. And also, there are many more videos in the totally free Amazon Masterclass. Hope to see you soon.